Hello guys, welcome back to my video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make Avengers board game. So you can see an Avengers Infinity War sticker book. So see Avengers Infinity War sticker book, 100,000 sticker book. So and as I think you all are a fan of Avengers, and they have some latest movie, Endgame, Infinity War, Civil War. There are many other movies. I think so. You saw all the movies, especially Endgame. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make a board game which you can play with two plus players. Like we can't play with one player, you can play two and more players. So for making that board game, I need the sticker book help and some papers. So I'm going to show you I'm going to show you the board game now. The cards I'm going to show you afterwards. This is the board game. I'll show you. Yeah, you can see all the Avengers here and some villains, sons of children of Thanos. We'll go one by one. You can see now there's a start button, no start option. So we keep all the players there. So I'm going to take the pawns and coming. So you can have a look at this. Yeah, you can have a look at this. So if you are a big fan of Avengers, I'm gonna show you how to make Avengers board game. It's very easy, quite easy. So I'll take one player here. Oh, no need. So first you have the start option here. Then you have Captain America from Infinity War, which is 500 rupees, $500, what do you call it. Then I have Iron Man, which is 1000. Then Falcon, you can call it dollars or rupees. Then here you have Children of Thanos, which is written fight. I'm going to say you what is meaning of fight. Then you have Black Video, Thor, Star-Lord, and you have a button called trade. You can't see it because it's an Avengers symbol. The Avengers symbol. Then Children of Thanos, Gamora, Wong, one of the Children of Thanos, Okoye, Thanos, Nebula, Hulk, Mantis. I'll just flip it and show you. Nebula, Hulk, Mantis, Iron Spider, Bucky, Drax, Wanda, Black Panther, and again one button called trade. Then War Machine, Groot, Dr. Strange, Vision, Rabbit, and Start. Rocket, I've called him by mistakenly Rabbit. Thor calls him Rabbit in Infinity War. So you can see the full board game here. I think it's very quite interesting, fun. Then you can see the symbol here with Captain America and some Avengers. So with this I took Thor also, but you must have wondered how I made this thing. So I'll just keep this at the side. Then you got some sticker book. You can buy it in Amazon or Flipkart, which you have some activities to do. Then you got some symbols of some Avengers. I'm going to show you. Yeah, then I got all these things. I think you can see. Yeah, from here I took it. We got 3 badges. I have one more badge left. It's awesome, quite good books. There are 1000 stickers, including extra stickers that you can stick. This and all are for work. See, you can have all these stickers. Then last coloring, all these activities to do. I did all. You can see Children of Thanos edition, Star-Lord. Then you have undercover cap. You have many other things in that book. You can buy it. It's awesome. Then you can see this is board game. So when I took this board game, we had some cards. So you must have seen these cards because if you buy that Avengers, you need to have a card. Like in business, if you buy any place, then you get a card of that thing, and it will be written rent, buy, and many house, hotel. So here I have made the Avengers card. So you can see Captain America. It is written damage 3000 power. This is wrong because actually it should be 5000. It's according to the strength they have. Yes, like damage 1000 means you should have 4000 or 5000. Then you'll have Doctor Strange. But this is a wrong number. I'm sorry. You have to make your own thing. Like if like Hulk, it's 950. So I have made a rule that above 800 it should be 1000. No, the life should be 5000. Sorry. Then here 300. So if it's above 200, it should be life should be 2000. Then 500. Then many rules. You can make your own rules, which is good. And yeah, you get all these cards. You have to make these cards also, especially all the Avengers. I made all. You can see Nebula, Wanda, and many other. Then I made super villains card. Yeah. So this, and now I think we have a we know how to make it. Now coming back to the board game. So now I'm going to show you how to make the board game. So we're going to take some A4 size paper, same length, this much. This much is length is enough. Then here should be 4 centimeter. Here should be 4 centimeter long. It's according to the sticker you stick. You can make printout also. If printout is there, then if the sticker is this much, you can have to increase. So I made it 4 because this is 2 centimeter. 2 and 2. 2 centimeter correct. Then you have just some extra space that I cut it out. Yeah, the meaning of trade. So if you have a Avenger, Thor. So you fought with Thor with other Avengers. So you have to fight this the battleground. And not like that, you have to keep these 2 cards and calculate with a book. You have to have a book near you, which you have to take the pencil. Then suppose you are fighting Thor and someone is fighting not Thor, Thor is too strong. Captain America versus Doctor Strange. So if you're fighting Captain America and Doctor Strange, then you have to you can see Captain America's damage. So you should write Doctor Strange's life first. Doctor Strange has 3210, which is actually 4000 life he has. When I was playing, I forgot to correct it. So when 4000 minus 520. So if you get the answer, then rub it with this pencil and write the answer here. Then write 3000 of Captain America minus 750. And when you get the answer, rub this and write that thing. So after that, you have to get the person with more cards wins the game. And plus, if you come near Thanos, it's written minus 200. So if you come near Thanos, you're gonna fight with him with any Avenger. But if you have a children of Thanos, then you can escape. But if you don't have a children of Thanos, your power, like Thor's power, if he comes near Thanos, like someone comes near Thanos, he has to use any strong Avengers card, which 700 becomes 500 minus 200. Then if you buy Thor, then if I buy Thor here, you can see Thor here. Then if I go one more round and come back and comes same place in Thor, then you get plus 200 in your power. So if I get here 500 less, I can again increase it to 700. Then again it will be 4700. Then here the divisions. I made it 3 centimeter, 3.5, which comes the correct length. That meaning of trade, I told you, the person with the 4000 life can beat. I'll ask you, sir, like this. You have, suppose Thor is 3000 or 4000. Doctor Strange is actually 4000. So then you can trade each other. then you get more power. Or if you don't want to trade, you can't trade. If you don't want to trade, you can say I give up. But if trade is also good thing to trade, then this book, I think you can buy it. You can just type it on any buying website like Amazon. You just type Avengers Infinity War sticker book, they'll show you this book. Or you can also buy Endgame, it's more better. Then if you make more spaces here, little more space, then you can see Ant-Man, then Captain Marvel, then all. But I got this from Infinity sticker book, so I took it from the Infinity War sticker book and stuck it. Really cool. And then I'll show you this friend sticker. I have many stickers like that, like of different types. So this is the thing I'll show you. Or you don't have a sticker book, or you don't want to buy a sticker book, or you're not allowed to buy a sticker book, then you can buy, like, you have to name the Avenger or draw or print out. If you have a printer, you're lucky. Or you can just write Star-Lord, Thor, some. But if you don't have, I also don't know the name of these two. Children of Thanos. You can write Children of Thanos or anything else. Then the fight, meaning these guys cannot be bought. They can only be fought. Like if you have Thor, then you can fight this guy and take this guy. But Thor's little life will go. That will be changed according to the damage of this guy. Then this guy's life will go according to the damage of Thor. So you can see. So if you also make your own rules, because my rules are too big to read and understand, you can make your own rules. That's why it's so difficult for making the rules. That's the problem. Then you have Doctor Strange friend here. Boom. Then all the Avengers, you can stick with the Endgame book also, which is more better. Then thank you guys for watching my video, and please subscribe to my channel. You can also see my other videos, which is also good. So thank you guys for seeing my video, and bye bye.